Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oil is the one of the most valuable natural resource, but which country have the largest Peruvian oil reserves? Let's find out today video ranking. Which country has the largest Peruvian oil reserves in the world? Is it Saudi Arabia, Venezuela, Canada, or perhaps other countries? In this video, we are going to explore the Peruvian oil reserves of 105 countries ranking from the lowest to highest. Oil is one of the world's most valuable natural resources. It plays a major role in transportation, electricity generation, manufacturing, and the global economy. Countries with the large oil reserves often have a sufficient impact on international energy markets and global trades. In this video, you will see how countries compare based on their estimated Peruvian oil reserves measured billion barrels. We will begin with the countries that have a little or no Peruvian oil reserves are gradually moved toward the world's largest oil richest nations. In Bulgaria, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.015 billion barrels. In Portugal, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.022 billion barrels. In Bangladesh, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.028 billion barrels. In Kazakhstan, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.040 billion barrels. In France, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.0062 billion barrels. In Suriname, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.089 billion barrels. In Poland, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.113 billion barrels. In Myanmar, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.139 billion barrels. In Chile, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.50 billion barrels. In Bahrain, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.187 billion barrels. In Bolivia, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.241 billion barrels. In Ukraine, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.395 billion barrels. In Italy, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.498 billion barrels. In Romania, Peruvian oil reserves are 0.600 billion barrels. In Brunei, Peruvian oil reserves are 1.100 billion barrels. In Sudan, Peruvian oil reserves are 1.250 billion barrels. In Colombia, Peruvian oil reserves are 2.03 billion barrels. In Argentina, Peruvian oil reserves are 2.483 billion barrels. In United Kingdom, Peruvian oil reserves are 2.500 billion barrels. In Egypt, Peruvian oil reserves are 3.300 billion barrels. In Vietnam, Peruvian oil reserves are 4.400 billion barrels. In Mexico, Peruvian oil reserves are 5.786 billion barrels. In Norway, Peruvian oil reserves are 8.112 billion barrels. In Algeria, Peruvian oil reserves are 12.220 billion barrels. In Kazakhstan, Peruvian oil reserves are 30.00 billion barrels. In United States, Peruvian oil reserves are 38.212 billion barrels. In the UAE, Peruvian oil reserves are 97.800 billion barrels. In Canada, Peruvian oil reserves are 170.300 billion barrels. In Venezuela, Peruvian oil reserves are 303.806 billion barrels. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy the discovering how 105 countries rank by their own Peruvian oil reserves in 2026. Which country ranking surprised you the most? Let me know in comments. If you found this video is interesting and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.